MoneyGram allows you to save recipient information for faster transactions, but you may need to remove saved recipients for privacy or organizational reasons. Here are 3 simple methods to delete recipients from your MoneyGram account. The first method is through MoneyGram's online platform. Simply log into your account on MoneyGram.com, navigate to the Send Money or Recipients section, select the recipient you want to remove, and click Delete or Remove. You'll need to confirm the deletion to complete the process. The second method uses the MoneyGram mobile app. Open the app, access your recipient list, then swipe left on iOS or long press on Android to reveal the Delete option. Select Delete and confirm the removal. The mobile interface makes this process quick and intuitive. The third method involves contacting MoneyGram customer service directly. Call their support line, provide your account verification details, and request recipient removal. The representative will confirm your identity and process the deletion request for you. It's important to understand that even after deleting a recipient, MoneyGram may retain some information for regulatory compliance, anti-money laundering requirements, and fraud prevention purposes. This data is typically kept for 5 to 7 years as required by financial regulations. You now know 3 reliable methods to delete MoneyGram recipients through the online platform, mobile app, or customer service. Choose the method that works best for you to maintain control over your saved recipient information. Before deleting any MoneyGram recipient, there are critical security steps you must take to protect your financial information and ensure a safe process. Reviewing your transaction history ensures no pending transfers exist, while downloading receipts preserves important financial records before they become inaccessible. During the deletion process, always use secure connections and official MoneyGram platforms only. Never attempt recipient deletion through third-party websites or unsecured networks. After deleting recipients, monitor your account for unauthorized access and consider updating your password. This additional security step helps protect against potential account compromise. Financial institutions must balance user privacy with anti-money laundering requirements. MoneyGram maintains transaction records for a minimum of 5 years to comply with regulatory obligations. In 2024, MoneyGram implemented comprehensive data management following GDPR requirements. This led to a 40% increase in user-initiated recipient deletions and significantly improved user trust scores. MoneyGram is exploring future technologies, including blockchain for secure transaction histories and artificial intelligence for intelligent recipient management, ensuring both security and user convenience.